Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chef Grace. We're going to make pancake and I'm going to use whole flour with milk. So this is going to be one of very healthy breakfast you can have. I have two bowls. This one I'm going to use to mix the dry ingredients and this one I'm going to use to mix the liquid ingredients. Then later we will mix them together. I'm going to use 2 cups of flour and I'm going to add half teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of salt, and I'm going to mix it together. Remember, we are using whole wheat flour, which is more richer in fiber and less refined for a healthy pancake. We are done with dry ingredients. Now I'm going to mix the liquid ingredients. I want to start with eggs, one by one. I'm going to use 4 eggs for these 2 cups of flour. But if the eggs are bigger size, you can use 2 or 3. Now I'm going to mix them together. Remember, we are not going to use water, we will just use milk to mix it. And then I'm going to add almost 2 tablespoons of vanilla just to add smell and taste. Then I'm going to add milk, 1 cup. And from here, I'm going to add my flour, small by small. We don't need it to be very thick and we don't need it to be very light. So we are going to maintain the texture, and we can add more milk in case you need it to be more nice. Now, as you can see, mixture is ready, and this is the nice consistency, as you can see. So now we are going to make our pancake. As you can see, I'm just going to put a little oil and let the pan get hot, like 2 minutes. Then I'm going to add my mixture. I'll be using this spoon, almost 1 spoon for 1 pancake. Make sure your heat is not too high. Medium heat is better. You don't need to put a lot of oil. As we have said, this is rich in protein because we have used milk and eggs. We didn't use water, so this is really going to be rich in protein. It smells so good. I love vanilla flavor and smell, and I can tell you it's really smell nice. Remember, we have not put sugar for more health concern. But it's also not bad if you want to put a little bit of sugar. I'm going to cook it and turn it for almost 5 minutes. One pancake, and we will be done. This is done. We're going to remove it and add the second one. One dinner spoon of oil. I'm using olive oil, and because my pan is already hot, so I'm also going to add 1 spoon of the mixture. We are going to use the same steps until we finish. With me, and this is our final product. I hope you will enjoy. Please comment down, tell me how did you find this recipe, and if you have your own recipe you can still share with us. Thank you. See you in another video.